Imagine being able to instantly direct, filter, or secure every email that enters your organization without lifting a finger each time. That's the power of mail flow rules in Exchange Online. Mail flow rules, also known as transport rules, are automated actions that manage how messages travel through your organization. You can block threats, add disclaimers, or encrypt sensitive emails, all before messages reach inboxes. Getting started is simple. In the Exchange Admin Center, navigate to Mail Flow, then click Rules. Here, you can create a new rule, choose specific conditions, like sender address or keywords, and define your desired actions. Want to prevent confidential data leaks? Set a rule to detect certain phrases and automatically encrypt or redirect those messages. Need to stop phishing attempts? Block emails from untrusted domains with just a few clicks. Remember, test new rules thoroughly. Prioritize rules to avoid conflicts and keep documentation up to date. Organized rules means safer, smoother communication. With Mail Flow rules, you turn email management into a silent guardian for your organization, saving time, boosting security, and ensuring compliance with ease.